In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by tapping on one of your apps and accessing it in the background. Now to turn it into floating window, click on the icon of it and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move your window, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can always click on the same line and use all of those options. By clicking on those two arrows pointing each other, you can turn your app into a bubble. You can do exactly the same by tapping on Home button. By clicking on this arrow next to it, you can use your app in full screen view. And by tapping on this X, you can close your window completely. You can also close it by swiping it in the background or by turning it into a bubble and dragging it to remove section at the bottom. You can also drag your window. If you wish to resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it. When you find the perfect size, just let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!